Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, FASTCABLING. Today in this video, we are embarking on a journey into the heart of high-speed data extension. And the key to unlocking this realm lies in the brilliance of fiber optic cables. If you ever wonder how we are propelling data at unprecedented speed, you're in for an eye-opening exploration. So in the era of rapid technological advancement, the concept of high-speed data extension has emerged as a critical component in ensuring seamless connectivity. And the ability to extend high-speed data transmission over significant distances is pivotal for meeting the demands of modern communication networks. And this concept addresses the need for efficient data transmission, a cornerstone in various applications, ranging from industrial setup and smart cities to everyday consumer connectivity. As our reliance on data-driven process intensifies, the importance of extending high-speed data becomes increasingly pronounced, and influencing the reliability and performance of networks across diverse sectors. Fiber optic cables are a sophisticated means of transmitting data using the strings of glass, relying on the principle of total internal reflection. And these cables function by converting electrical signal into light pulses, which are then transmitted through the fiber string. And the use of light signal for data transmission allows fiber optic cables to achieve higher speed compared to traditional copper cable, as light travel at incredibly fast speed. And its characteristics enable fiber optics to support high bandwidth application, making them ideal for transmitting large volume of data quickly and efficiently. Moreover, fiber optic cables exhibit superior distance capability, with signal capable of traveling much further without the risk of signal degradation. Their immunity to electromagnetic interference enhances reliability, making fiber optics especially advantageous in environments prone to electro disturbance. Overall, the key advantages of fiber optic cables lie in their speed, long-distance transmission capabilities, and heightened reliability, positioning them as a preferable choice for a high-performance data transmission in various applications. So now we're in front of the demonstration board. A successful installation and optimal fiber optic network begin with pre-made fiber optic cables, ensuring they're of the appropriate type and length for the intended application. We'll also need the fiber media converter. Now they facilitate the seamless integration of fiber optic cables with copper-based network. Also, we need the SFP transceiver, which is the small form factor pluggable module. They enhance flexibility but allowing for interchangeable fiber optic connectors. So next we'll do the connection together. So here we have the router. I'm going to use the Ethernet cable to connect with it to transmit data to our media converter. This is an indoor media converter and it's already powered up. I'm going to plug in the Ethernet cable to here. And over this side, we have the SFP transceiver. This is where we connect with the fiber optic cable. Let's plug it into our media converter. We're using a 4-string fiber optic cable, and it's pre-mated, so we don't need to worry about the connector. And on each string, it has a label on it. Let's use string A. So everything is plugged in. We have a 300 meters fiber optic cable. Coming over this side, we are going to do the exact same thing. Plug in the SFP transceiver. And remember to match your string. Let's use string A. Plug it in to the SFP transceiver. And it's already powered up. Using another short patch cord to connect our media converter to our wireless access point. So now the whole connection is done, and we are extending the data using our fiber optic cables. So maintaining optimal performance in fiber optic network involves awareness of key considerations. Firstly, selecting the right fiber type is crucial. For single-mode fiber for extended distances and multi-mode fiber for shorter one. Single-mode fiber can transmit data over much greater distances than multi-mode fiber. And keeping in mind the cost-effectiveness of each option. And this knowledge allows for informed choice aligned with the specific range requirements of your network. And regularly inspect and clean connectors using specialized kits to prevent signal degradation. Additionally, implement proper cable management practices to avoid unnecessary strain on the fibers. And periodic testing and monitoring using equipment like power meters ensure the network is operating at its peak performance. And by combining informed choices on fiber types with maintenance practices, now you can ensure the longevity and reliability of a fiber optic network. And thank you very much for joining us today. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insight. And let us know in the comment section how you plan to leverage fiber optic cables in your setup.